Welcome to the user creation tutorial for the Intradyn AOS 7 archiver. In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to create user profiles using the user creation wizard. This will include setting passwords, permissions, and home pages. After logging in, click on the top Users tab. Enter the display name of the user, then click the Add User button. This will transport you to the user creation wizard. You can choose whether to generate a password or add one manually. If manual, you will be prompted to input the password of your choosing. Check the box below if you want to force the user to change their password upon first login. Then enter the user's full name for identification. You may optionally add a phone number. Enter the user's email address, then click Next to continue. In the basic options, you can set the login timeout for this user. Setting this value to 0 will set an indefinite timeout. The time zone can be customized or set to the system default. Next, you can decide whether or not to add this user to a group. Select the groups you wish to add the user to. In this example, we'll uncheck the group before continuing. Click Next to proceed. On the permissions page, you will be setting what the user can and cannot access on the archiver. You can select between 3 pre-made configurations. These options include HR/legal, admin, and end user. Clicking on these will change permissions on the list to the right. You can also manually select or deselect individual permissions to further customize user access. Home pages are available depending on the permissions granted to the user in the previous step. Select one and click Next. The general search rule will determine if the user can search only on their own emails, in departments they belong to, no addresses, or all addresses. Setting a result limit will limit the number of results returned by any search. Once set, click Next. Additional specific search addresses can be searched by the user if designated. You can use this section of the wizard to do so, or finish the user creation by skipping this. Addresses can be added as shown. Click the Add Addresses button to enter these. Click Finish to complete the user creation wizard. You will see the new user under the list of system users. You can click on the pencil icon at any time to edit the settings of a user. The layout of the wizard pages can be seen near the top of the screen. This concludes the user creation tutorial video for the Intradyn archiver AOS 7. For more tutorials, tips, and tricks, visit support.intradyn.com.